how to change alarm sound on iPhone. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the clock app on your iPhone. After that, make sure you select alarms at the bottom. Then you can create a new alarm by clicking the plus icon at the top right or select an existing alarm. Over here, tap on the alarm, then scroll down and click on sound. After that, scroll through the list and tap on different sounds to hear them. Then, if you like a sound, press back and make sure to press save at the top right. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.